Hi guys, it's Randee for Thunderhorse Descendant. Hello! Today I have a little order I was going to share with you. I did open it already, but this is the order that I placed from Bead Box Bargains, and utilized my coupon code that we got from that I got in the monthly box. So I ordered a few things, and I just thought I would go over them with you. This is the first order that I have placed with them from their store. And so, let's see. I have my little items here. It comes with a card and got a little thank you gift of some chain, it looks like, which I always appreciate. So that's really nice. It looks like it's kind of a lot of chain as well. So, alright, so first thing I have is let's consult the notes. I have a 7.6 strand of 6mm Lapis round beads. These were $2.89, and I believe that is before the coupon that they sent me. So, trying to get this to, there we go. So that's what we got. It's pretty nice. I like that. I think that would make a nice bracelet. So that was the first thing. Just put him back in his little bag. Move on to the next. Okay, I have two of these little points. One is Unikite, and the other one is blue goldstone. So this one is the blue goldstone. And this one is the Unikite. So these were $1.29 on the website. I'm just going to move this down a little bit without. There we go. So this one I can tell is it's offset a little bit in there, you can see, and I don't know, it's probably just that one, I don't know. I only got one of those, so that's that situation. I mean, it's not going to bother me for what I'm going to use it for. Okay, next I have these guys. Oh, so these ones are the red bamboo coral beads. So they're not actually coral, they're red bamboo. So basically like an imitation coral. And these were, they are a 14-inch strand, medium dark red bamboo coral, and they were 99 cents. Which I can appreciate that, because I'll use these on a lot of projects. I really like to match these with turquoise. It really looks nice together. They feel nice. Just kind of looking at them a little bit, and I really like those. I think I would order those again. I would put those on the reorder list for 99 cents. Well, it was probably about 70 cents after the coupon. These, I gotta read on those, because let's see. Crystal, faceted crystal. I'm just looking on here and I was like, I don't remember ordering these. I think these are just like, I think they're just like, crimp beads, and they're not on the list, so I will have to look into that. Okay, let's take these out of the bag. Here I ordered 3 different colors. This is the lavender gray. These are 15-inch strands, 4mm crystal Bicone beads of the red. They were 99 cents a strand, so with the coupon they were probably 70 cents. Baby blue. I have 3 different colors here. If you're a person who's looking to build up your stash of beads, you know, these can be used in a lot of projects. I'll probably use these in stringing projects, but I will say that I don't know that I would use these in like a seed bead project or anything, just simply because they are matte, and usually when I do those projects I'm looking for a translucent. But if you're somebody looking to beef up your bead stash for 70 cents a strand, that's a pretty good way to go. Next, now this I thought was cool. I had never seen one of these before, this shape. So this is a Hexagon Pendant, 29mm faceted Hexagon Pendant tiger's eye. And it's very nice. I really like it. I would reorder this. This is $2.99 on the website. I would wire wrap this, and it's very nice. It's got some nice striations. So yeah, I would definitely reorder that guy. Put him back in here so he doesn't get scratched up. Okay, and then I have 2 items left. These so these are called half matte coin beads in Peacock, and you get 10 of them for 99 cents, and I like these. I think these would really spice up a project. Super sparkly, especially for earrings or something like that, so I really like those. I would reorder those again. And then lastly, I got 2 of these pendants, and they came double wrapped, so I gotta take them out of the package. Okay, so here is, oh, losing my beads. Here's that guy. These are here. So I have 2 of these just for comparison. I want to see if they're pretty uniform or what the deal is. These were $2.99 on the website. Just double checking that. Yep. 55 to 57 millimeter black agate with silverstone edging. $2.99. And I got 2 of those. These are very nice. As far as them being agates, they feel light for an agate. I don't know. They don't feel like a stone would feel. I mean, they sound like a stone. You can usually tell the difference by the sound from stone to glass. They sound like stone, but they do feel light, so just FYI on that. But they are very nice. I would reorder these. I do like them. I think it could be used in a lot of projects. You could do filigree on the bottom, different stuff like that. So, let me just zoom you out here. So, perhaps there was a little mix up here at the warehouse with these little beads, and because I didn't get my tree charms. So I will just give them a call. Like I said, this is the first order that I have done from Bargain Bead Box. Bead Box Bargains. So I will touch base with them and see if they have a solution for that, and I can leave that in the comments when I find something out. I have heard that they have a very good customer service department, so I will see how that goes, and I will let you guys know. Anyways, this is what I'm doing today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have questions, comments, or concerns, please leave those at the bottom of the screen in the comments section. And please give this video a like, comment, share. And I will leave my logo up on the screen so that you can subscribe to my videos. Make sure you ring the bell so you know when I'm putting new videos up. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.